Hi, Mr. Bell here with you and Mr. Bell Sci, and I've got a special Halloween science experiment for you. Again, this is science, this is not magic, and today for Halloween, we're gonna make the first president of the United States scream. Yes, he's been dead for a very long time, but we today in our Halloween science experiment are gonna make George Washington on the quarter scream. So what I have in front of me is dry ice. Now before we do anything else, I wanna put on my safety gloves and then my safety goggles, because safety comes first. I've got a big chunk of dry ice here. Now dry ice is frozen CO2, which is carbon dioxide. And when CO2 or dried ice melt, it does not melt to a liquid like your ice cubes from your refrigerator does. This goes straight to a gas form, and we call that sublimate. Can you say sublimate?
Sublimate.
So you can see the gas coming right off of my dry ice with my special gloves that I can hold very cold things with. So we are ready to make George Washington scream. Are you ready to hear him scream?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. When I put George Washington onto the very cold ice, that's around negative 76 degrees Celsius, he is gonna scream. So George Washington scream. One more time in case you missed that. Here comes George Washington again, and we're gonna make him scream. So when the metal hits the dry ice here, the gas is trying to get around there, and that's what makes the sound of George Washington scream. Now he's really cold and he won't scream anymore. But that's what dry ice does when metal comes in contact with it. It makes that screaming sound. So that was Mr. Bell Sci with our Halloween science experiment. And we'll see you next time.